Looking for a fast-charging, ultra-responsive stylus for your iPad? Meet the 2X Fast Charge Active Stylus Pen, designed for 2018 to 2025 Apple iPads. Take your creativity and productivity to the next level. Click the link in the video description to shop now on Amazon.
Welcome to ElectroDrive News, where we explore the latest in electric vehicles and sustainable energy. Today, we're talking about how to make your EV battery last as long as possible. So, you've finally joined the eco-wagon trend and purchased your first electric vehicle. Now, you want to do everything you can to make that battery last for years to come. Well, it's not just about waiting for battery prices to drop. Taking care of your battery is essential. In fact, a third of the total cost of an EV is made up of the battery itself. That's why we're here to share some top tips on how to keep your EV battery in top condition. First things first, avoid driving your EV beyond 20% charge. Yes, you read that right, 20%. This may seem like a lot, but keeping it between 20% and 80% charged is the sweet spot for your battery. The closer it gets to 100%, the more difficult it will be for the electrons to get in and out of the cells. Now, when it comes to charging, stick with level 1 or level 2 chargers, folks. These are great options for homeowners who want to charge their EV at home. And remember, avoid using level 3 fast chargers unless absolutely necessary. Research has shown that fast charging can cause battery degradation, something we're still trying to understand. Extreme temperatures can also affect your battery's performance and charging ability. In cold weather, temperatures can reduce range by up to 20% and affect charging rates. But don't worry, there are ways to combat this. Some manufacturers use a cooling system to keep the power pack temperature low in summer. That's some fancy tech right there. And speaking of technology, let's talk about battery management systems. These dedicated computers control every aspect of your pack, from temperature to charge rate and discharge levels. Thanks to the Internet of Things, these systems can be updated remotely to maintain optimal performance. It's like having a personal EV butler, always keeping an eye on things to ensure your vehicle runs smoothly. Now, I know some of you might be used to revving up those combustion engines, but when it comes to EVs, that's not exactly the best idea. Repeatedly accelerating can cause uneven battery draining and even affect recharging. So, take it easy, aim for steady acceleration instead. Your range and energy efficiency will thank you. And there you have it, folks, 5 top tips for keeping your EV battery in top condition. By following these simple steps, you can enjoy years of reliable service from your eco-friendly ride. That's all for today on ElectroDrive News. Thanks for watching.